Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with my Birchbox unboxing for the month of February, and this box is filled to the brim with a lot of good stuff inside. But if you guys want to see what's inside this month's Birchbox, then keep on watching. One thing I noticed about this month's Birchbox was the fact that I never received any sort of shipping confirmation or any sort of indication that it was even coming. And usually like Birchbox is like one of the first ones that I will know is like to be expected in the mail, but I never got any sort of indication with this one. This month's box is all about things that are going to bring us joy, kind of reflecting off of that whole self-love, making time for yourself type of thing that I kind of mentioned in my Ipsy unbagging as well earlier this month. But yeah, we have a bunch of stuff inside, and it looks like we actually might even have some like bonus sample products inside as well. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The first item we'll pull out inside of our Birchbox looks like to be a perfume sample, and this is the Clean Reserve Amber Saffron perfume sample. And I've tested Clean Reserve before. I believe it was maybe in a Sephora play box. I have to say I am a pretty big fan of just the sample size, how it comes with this little like clip so it's not like sliding in and out, and that way you don't have to worry about breaking it. It looks like that this is gonna be a florally scent, and it says here that it has sweet notes like mandarin oil, rose, lily, and raspberry, but it also has a warm melody of musk, saffron, and amber. So let's go ahead and give it a squirt here. Usually amber is not one of those scents that I am a big fan of, just for, it has a very signature smell, and for me it just doesn't sit well with my senses, but I'm really picking up that mandarin. I'm really kind of picking up a little bit of a citrusy sweet with that raspberry in there too. And in terms of the muskiness, it's not too bad. I think it's picking up more of the sweet side rather than the musky side. So I will have to say that so far on a first impression I do like this. I'll have to see how it wears on my skin and if it reacts well with my natural body odors, but so far impressed. Next inside here it looks like we have a 2-for-1 special, and these are both from Love Beauty and Planet, and these are the Smooth and Serene shampoo and conditioner samples. Both of these are full size, retail for $9, which makes me wonder how big that full size actually is, because if I'm spending $9 on shampoo and conditioner, hell yeah, because I'm sick and tired of spending $30 on Dry Bar. But these are supposed to be good for color safe, paraben, silicone free, and they're supposed to help a lot with frizziness and making the hair a little bit smoother. So I'm definitely excited about that, and it's supposed to be really good for the planet as well, and who can't love that? So I'm gonna go ahead and assume that they both smell the same, so I'll just smell the shampoo here. It has a little bit of a lavender scent, which is usually not a preferred of mine, especially when I think hair care, because that's the last thing that I'm thinking in terms of what I would want my hair to smell like. But these smell pretty good. They're supposed to be good for, like I said, frizziness and keeping the hair a little bit smooth, and maybe lavender is that secret ingredient that's gonna make the difference. But yeah, this also has golden argan oil, and it has the French lavender. Supposedly really good for you. There's no dyes, silicone, parabens, no guilt either. So of course this is not tested on animals. It's a fast rinse, and it's vegan and it's organic, and I'm quite excited, especially because like if this is gonna work, and knowing that the full size is only $9, why would I not jump on that bargain? Like, right? So quite excited to test out. Usually I do bitch and moan about Birchbox sending hair care samples, especially shampoo, conditioner, but when they're in sizes like this, your girl can't be mad, so we'll see. Next we have here is the Marcelle Maximum Volume and Intense Curl Mascara, looks like, and this is the Ultimate Volume Nano, and this is a mascara. This is the mascara wand, which is tiny, but I'm gonna assume that this is probably gonna be really good to get in there with the baby lashes and to kind of really just lift and volumize everything. So it's gonna give your eyes a little bit more of a feathered look. So cool. I'm quite excited because I've tested Marcelle mascaras before, and I was a pretty big fan. They were among some of my favorites. And I'm interested to see how this little guy is gonna pack a serious punch, but we will find out soon enough. So, yeah, I guess there's really not much else to say other than I always love testing out new mascaras, because I really do think wands make a world of difference when it comes to mascara and application. So we'll have to test this out. Next, inside our Birchbox we have another hair care product from R&Co, and this is the Park Ave Blowout Balm. And this says that this is going to give your hair some bounce and protecting it from heat damage. So always appreciated whenever I get a heat protectant, because I have been really kind of lacks in terms of finding products specifically for heat protection, because I use the argan oil every single day whenever I wash and dry my hair, but it's like I feel like that's not necessarily enough, and I don't use a strictly hair heat protectant. So I'm quite excited to test this up. So this is going to be something that adds bounce, that's supposed to help protect, and yeah, I'm quite excited because I really did end up loving the dry shampoo from Argan that I received last month in a Birchbox, I believe. And so I'm quite excited to like finally get my hands on other products from Argan because they are one of those companies that you hear a lot about, but I haven't really had a chance to grab my hands on and test their products. So cool. So it looks like that we still have 2 more products inside, and these are claimed to be bonus products. Now, I'm not quite sure why we're getting so many extra bonus products this month. Maybe it's because it is the month of love and they're showing our appreciation. I'm not too sure, but I'm not going to complain if I get free product, right? So this is from FOREO, I guess, and this is the day and night cleansers. So this looks like this is a 2-for-1 system. So it says, use the day cleanser to wake up your skin with probiotics and fruit extracts, and the night cleanser to nourish. Also says that it can be used with the FOREO cleanser, which I don't have, and I don't know if that's going to make a world of difference, which it almost looks like a Clarisonic. I'll have to do a little bit of research and see if maybe FOREO is a cheaper alternative for Clarisonic. I really have no idea. I've never even heard of this company or their skincare line, so to speak. So we'll have to do some research and we'll have to come back to you on this. The last thing inside our Birchbox this month is from Estee Lauder, and this is the Pure Color Envy lipstick. And I hate lipstick samples like this because I don't use lip brushes. Truthfully, I just don't. And yeah, this is probably like one of those things that I'm really not going to be too excited to test out. But I don't want to open it just yet because I don't want to have to use it. And I'm afraid if I open it, it's going to be like a one-time sample. But this is in the shade Envious. And it says that it has intense pigment and a creamy finish for a show-stopping smile. So this is supposed to sculpt, intensify, hydrate with one stroke. I don't want to open the sample color just because I'm not ready to use it just yet. But interesting enough to say the least. That was everything that was inside my Birchbox this month. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos and if you like my content and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I post new Birchboxes. I think overall this month's box was one of those ones that seemed like it had a ton of hair care products in it, which I'm now starting to reappreciate my hair, being that it is a little bit more manageable now, and I want to take those preventative steps to kind of make my hair as healthy as I can. So probably in the past I would have bitched about this box, but I'm not complaining now. There's some new samples in there to test out, a couple extras, which is always exciting for whenever subscriptions are going to send you just like extra product. So I think in all I would give this month's box maybe, oh, I don't know. I think I would give this month's box maybe a B because those extra samples I'm a little confused about, but nonetheless it's still pretty cool to receive extras. If you guys want to see my full thoughts and reviews on the products inside, you guys can check out my blog down below where I will do a full breakdown of all the products, and you guys can check that out at Life with Sarah or at sarahlock.com. 2 H's, 2 K's, and I will be sure to list all of my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. So with that said, thank you guys again so much for watching. Truly appreciated. Take care. Love you always. And until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.